Originally designed to answer a need in the demanding world of the superyacht industry, Fastmount created a unique fastening system. By combining the perfect finish for panel mounting and allowing access to hidden services and utilities, Fastmount immediately became the standard for discerning customers. The Fastmount panel mounting system is centered around a unique set of interchangeable clips, enabling a complete rethink of the paneling process. Aviation industry designers and RV manufacturers were quick to realize the benefits to their industries and soon adopted the system. Now, renowned architects around the world prefer to specify the Fastmount system for its perfect alignment, speed, and versatility of installment.
Architects love the fact that Fastmount allows them to create a flawless finish, whether it's negative detailing, hidden fixings. They have the ability to create the perfect finish or design the perfect finish with our products. Key advantages are accurate alignment of the panels, secure mounting, and non-sequential removal of any panel at any time. So in the case of a hotel fit out where time is of the essence, then our system allows them to rapidly install at the last moment the decorative finishes into the hotel. From the original clip system that we developed, we've invested heavily in R&D, and we've now got 5 ranges of products for our customers.
A variety of attachment methods are available designed for the specific requirements of the mounting surfaces, whether it's a screw fix, glue fix, or a fabric attachment for upholstery. Secure panel restraint systems assure safety with suspended panels and ease of access to surfaces. Fastmount, the original multi-award winning hidden fastening system for removable panels.